My dear audience, may peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of us. My name is Meherjan Mimma. My base number is 346. Dear audience, once there was a teacher who was teaching archery to students. There were 10 students who were learning to shoot arrow. Aim at the bird who's sitting on the treetop. All of them take it. Teacher said, don't release until I give you command. So, teacher asked the first student, have you taken it? He said yes. Teacher again said and asked, what do you see? The first student said, sir, I see the sky, I see the forest, I see the tree, and I also see the bird. Teacher asked the second student, what do you see? The second student said, sir, I see the tree, I see the branch of the tree, and I also see the bird. Teacher asked the third student, what do you see? The third student said, sir, I only see the branch of the tree, and the eye of the bird. Teacher asked the fourth student, what do you see? The fourth student said, sir, I only see the eye of the bird and nothing else. Teacher said, let's the arrow go. And the arrow hits the eye of the bird. Now, let me tell you second story. There was a girl. When she was reading class 3, that time he saw her pen, perfect, beautiful handwriting. Her heart sank and a question poked her mind. Why cannot I write like that? That question changed everything. Many would give up, many would stop, but she didn't. She practiced page after page, day after day. A day comes when she secured first place in handwriting competition among 225 participants. And now you might be wondering, who is that girl? That girl was me. Yes, it's my own story. I turned my weakness into my greatest strength by using focus and patience. So why not you? It's your time. Thank you very much for listening me patiently. Assalamu alaikum.